Cheese Louise Lemon Squeeze. Alrighty, welcome back, guys. Let's go into the charts. We're gonna talk about Solana today. The long-awaited video, Solana. Let's go into the chart. All right, so Solana has been pumping. Solana has been pumping. It reached the $85 range. I'm not gonna go all the way to the cents. You got the picture. And it pumped from there. It pumped, and not only pumped, it break through that 200 line SMA. Beautiful setup, beautiful setup. If you're not in Solana, way back then when it was like, $16, $18, you missed the boat, my friend. But you haven't really missed it completely. I am going to explain to you in this video. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we have a big, beautiful buy signal right here when it was at $88. And it went all the way up, baby. There's no sell signal on the daily. Solana is on the hourly chart. This is what we have. Let's go on the 4 hours chart. And the same thing. On the 4 hours charts, buy signal, no sell signal. Solana breaking through the line, going all the way up, green. And the beautiful thing about it, it almost kissed the 200 line SMA. The 200 SMA line, as you can tell right here previously, you see this buy right here around $70. Around $70, it came really close, just like this time. In fact, I believe this time when it came all the way to 88, 87, 88, I believe. Yeah, it depends on which exchange that you used, right? So $88 almost came very close from 200 SMA. And take a look at this beautiful buy move. It's unbelievable. All the way it took you from $70 to almost let's see, 123. From $70 to 123. Unbelievable gains. Almost like double. In fact, it is double, right? So that's what you got. Probably a repetition right now. Now for Solana, my expectation, and they're not a financial advice, do your own due diligence, please. Now, my predictions, my expectations, my opinion, what I'm seeing from the charts, if trends and patterns repeat themselves, we can see another high, one more high, probably to the 80 region, maybe if I'm being really optimistic to the 200 regions, right? Before we see a retracement all the way to the 80s and 70s again. Now, I want to be clear. If Solana pushes all the way to 200 regions or 170, the retracement level will also go up. What do I mean? If the price for Solana, to repeat the same patterns that we got here, you see this? That means, and I believe we have the same pattern. See, the same patterns goes up. But these were very close to the 200 SMA line. This one, we got a little bit of extension and then a little bit of correction. Very nice. If Solana repeat the same thing, we are at the 180. Now from 180, the retracement won't be all the way back to the 40s and 30s. If you are thinking that Solana may reach the 40s and 30s, maybe not this time. Maybe, I just said maybe not this time. It may very well go to $10. Who knows? This is crypto. But looking at the chart, if we move up to 180 and 200 regions, a correction from there, a 50% correction or 60% correction will put us back on the 80s and 90s region. So it's hard for me to see 80s and 90% correction. Maybe we can get that quickly if there's a correction in Bitcoin after the ETFs, and the Ethereum ETF took a little bit longer. Maybe we see that, because guess what? Next in line after Ethereum is Solana. You got Kathy Wood is talking about Solana and how Solana is beautiful, how it's fast, how it's like basically beats Ethereum when it comes to transaction per second. This might actually trace back all the way to the 90s and 80s, and that is it, my friend. And then as soon as they start drafting Solana ETF, as soon as Solana becomes, like, we got the ETF approval for Ethereum, Solana will skyrocket. Solana will be turning these jet engines, and I won't be surprised if I see Solana reach all the way to $500, to speak honestly, right? So Solana is still very valid. For me, a very valid competitor in the market. Let's see Solana price today. Solana at 101 so far. It jumped 11.7% in last 24 hours. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So Solana, what do I think about Solana? It's not what do I think, what the charts think. Indicators are telling us. So far, so good, baby. That being said, thank you so much. I will catch you in the next video where we talk about C. Right? Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also comment down below. What do you think Solana price will reach? Do you think Solana ETF is coming on the pipeline or not? Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.